Hi, in this video, I will be showing some ways on how to fix TikTok search not working. So first is to launch the TikTok application and tap on the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner of your screen. It will direct you to this page. And on the search bar, you can search anything that you like. For this video, I'll be searching ASMR, food, mukbang. By searching videos, users, sounds, shop, and lives regarding this topic will emerge. So when you use the search bar to search on your topic and no videos is found, then you might want to close and reopen the app, as this will refresh the app. And if that did not help, you may go back, tap the profile icon, and you will notice the three horizontal bars on the upper right corner. Tap on this icon and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down to find the Log Out button. By logging out of your account, it may help you fix this problem. And if the problem persists, you may use the last option, which is to go to the Settings application, scroll and find the app's icon. Use the hamburger icon on the top right corner to search for TikTok. And on the lower right corner, tap for stop. And then proceed to storage, which is under the usage. And on the lower left corner, tap on the clear data icon. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.